Hello, it's me again. Today I'm going to talk about the best strategies to make money online for busy parents. Hey, it's Kate. If you're a parent trying to make money online, but you are constantly stuck between raising your kids and chasing sales, you are not alone. I used to feel like I was doing everything right, posting content, joining trainings, building email lists, even trying to make my own funnel. But after months of effort, I was lucky to make around 30 plus dollar here and there, but I was exhausted, frustrated, and honestly one click away from giving up. In order for you to choose the best online income, you need a strategy, especially for parents like us. Either you go for the traditional method or the new framework. The traditional one is pretty burnout, and the new framework, you get paid again and again, and you get to spend what's important, right, with your family. Before that, please subscribe for more tips on building passive income the simpler way. Here's the cycle of your passive income tips. Subscribe to my channel, receive my tips, implement the strategies, evaluate your own results. Make sure to adjust to your own approach. Disclaimer: this content is for educational and informational purposes only. I'm sharing what's worked for me and many others, but your results will always depend on your own effort, consistency, and personal situation. This is not financial advice, and I don't promise or guarantee income. Success takes action, not just information. Make sure you take action, use your knowledge, and apply to your approach. So, after months of struggles, I finally found a completely different framework. One that didn't ask me to build my own complicated funnels. I don't have to set up any autoresponders, or I don't even have to cold message strangers all day just to make one sale. I don't have to beg them like, get this thing. I don't have to say things like that. I mean, I just show them the link and they sign up on their own. Pretty simple, right? This is a new framework, simpler approach. Oops. Simpler approach. No automation required because it's on the back end, done for you. Not much. I mean, you don't need much interaction unless if they ask any question. Okay. This approach give me everything I was missing. They pay me recurring income, meaning I get paid again and again from one lead, from one single referral. Clients or leads are hard coded for me for life, hard coded to me for life. So I never have to compete with other athletes. Let's say they cancel their subscription this month, but they change their mind. Like 10 months down the road, they change their mind. They pay again. I still get rewarded, right? And I get daily traffic source, but this is only for the platinum members because people are constantly seeing their offer even while I sleep. Okay, so I get to put um, more time with my family, my kids, right? And sales on autopilot without having to build my own funnel or babysit every click. Sales still come in because the automation is doing its work. This is the new affiliate marketing strategies. Make sure to look for all these pros on your left. You get recurring income, leads are hard coded to you. You get daily traffic. Of course, this is just a bonus. Autopilot sales instead of you put a lot of effort, you have to keep on trying and trying and look for leads. Like you have to set target for yourself, and then you have to depend on other platforms. Like for me, if I'm not good with email marketing, that's it, right? I don't want to end there, but you get proven email that will convert, right? So you don't have to worry much about that. The best part, I've now made over 2,700 using the exact same strategy without sacrificing my family time or my sanity. As I get to make breakfast with my kids, I get to go on a peaceful midweek walks. As I get to close the laptop and breathe. This is how we should be earning money online. To build this passive income, I don't have to start from zero every month. I'm building something that grows even when I step away. You put on a you put in the effort once and it will grow. If you get what I mean. If you do not understand, let me explain it again. Okay, so they have. They keep on adding new webinars, right? So when you get seriously about making money online, they like it, they buy, and you don't have to do anything because the ecosystem will sell itself. They buy anything inside the ecosystem, you get rewarded. This is not those get rich quick things. It's a smarter way to earn online, built for real life, and especially for busy parents like us. And if you're curious how it all works, here's the good news. You can create a free account and then get access to the exact same tools I use. Plus, I'm giving away a few bonuses to help you get started faster. No fluff, no tech overwhelm, no burnout. Just a way to finally create recurring income without sacrificing what matters most. Now, here's the smart cycle of online earning. You create your free account, access to the tools, get paid, no burnout, and you maintain your work life balance. This is the path that you deserve. Click the link in the description to grab your free access. Yeah, trust me, it's free. Because if you're going to put in the effort, it should actually pay off. You deserve that. Now, here are the steps to receive my exclusive bonuses. If you're interested, check the pinned comment below, sign up through my link, follow the instructions. I'll personally send you my exclusive bonuses. Pretty simple, just 3 steps, right? Okay, make sure you claim the free training in the comment down below, in the pinned comment down below. That's all for today. Bye, everyone.